Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Shio Asami. Code IPZZ736. Released on September 9, 2025. And it has 170 minutes watch time. The story is about switching to another workplace. When her contract ends, she moved to another agency to showcase her talent. So stay tuned for more series to watch. Highly anticipated.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.